Standard 9, Subject English, Composition, Essay, Topic, Examination, a curse or a boon. Some people think that examinations have some bad effects on both students and teachers. Some people say that they do good job in evaluation of the student's performance. What's your opinion? The issue of whether or not the examination is a threat for both students and teachers in current education system is becoming increasingly controversial. Some asserts are that there are several detrimental effects in our examinations. Personally, I think that the exam system is an indispensable part of education and the situation would be changed for better if we deal with negative sides of examinations properly. Admittedly, it is an undeniable fact that the exam brings about some potential drawbacks instead of paying more attention on what they can really benefit from. Students prefer a high score in their performance on the test. The students even go under certain depressions, anxieties, and stress, and lot of competition around them. The situation would be worse in some of the developing countries because people are accustomed to regard high score, transcript, and moreover pursuing better performance in their exams probably undetermines one's creativity. Some students do not score well even if they know that material and poor reading skills can handicap a student. Question on examination might not test the progress as well as they could. Examinations have good and bad ideas, as many people nowadays, students writing entrance examinations, even are suiciding. This would be a curse even to the education. So, what is more important is just mugging up the answers will not work out. So, it is very important that student education strategy has to be changed. It has to be managed well. There should be a perfect time management, as our education system would score their tests better and cannot retain what they have to learn in the future. We cannot fault the students for doing so. It is socially a pressure that forces this generation to face examinations with such a pressure and anxiety. We live in an era where the academic grades are the basis of comparison in the society. You are judged for how many S's you have attained and how many scholarships you have received. Without grades, we cannot enter the top schools. We cannot secure the better jobs. This is fueled by the increasing competitive workforces brought about the globalization markets. It is not good. It is not good enough to do well. Students have to excel to be recognized. Disregarding how the flawed system, the comparison it is sparked that worrying and the results in our current system of examinations. So every student knows what examinations are and we have to set up for the countless times. So what is important is that doesn't mean that examinations are useless. But despite of irritation and hatred, it is better you plan your work in the best way and judge one's ability in the particular field. That would be much more fruitful. Many of us sit in the basic system of examination. Different schools have different ways out, but still you can do the best of it. Thank you.